So if there are any questions, I request all of you to, I will lower all the attendees' hands 1 minute. So now you can raise hands once more if you have any questions for today's class. Indira Bhagini, what is your question? Indira Bhagini, you can ask your question. Okay, I couldn't hear Indira Bhagini. Bala Kalyan, please ask your question.
Ram Ram, I have two questions actually. One is based on just what we went through. Is it possible to ask a question on based on the Maheshwara Sutra, let us say with the first letter of the 14th Sutra, but going circle back to say the It Varga of the second line or something? Is it a rolling thing or is it only forward only?
It is only forward.
Okay, thank you. The other question was, you mentioned about the upasarga of a dhatu. I couldn't quite catch that one.
So you have Vish dhatu, Vishati enters.
Yeah.
Now you say Pravishati. Pra is a upasarga, prefix added to the dhatu, Vish.
Oh.
So if there is a upasarga, there are 22 upasargas in Sanskrit. Please refer the high school grammar course conducted by Vyoma, where I have explained the upasargas in detail. Now the upasargas have a role to perform in when they are added to the dhatus. For example, I will give you one example. Gachati means what?
To go.
Go. Agachati means?
To come.
Come. So the upasarga a, what did it do? It gave an opposite meaning.
Okay.
So the role of upasargas is to change the meaning, to alter the meaning, to enhance the meaning. They are added to the dhatus such that you get an enhanced effect.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bhanumati Swaminathan.
Namaste, Mahodaya. For yan pratyahara, the answer was given as yavarala. Why not up to yavarala nyamangana?
I didn't get your question. Let me come back to that. Why not up to
nyamangana?
Why yan only, no? So it sanya is na only, no? Yavarala, that's all.
Please repeat, sir.
No, in yan is the pratyahara. It is not yam. Yan.
Mahodaya.
Yan means we are talking about ta ta da da na, half letter. That should be there in the it sanya. Where is it coming? I will just share the screen again. Maheshwara Sutra. See here, yan is from here.
Yeah.
Ya, va, ra, la, that's all.
Oh, okay. Dhanyawad, sir.
Okay, we have Amit Bhargava. What is your question? Amit Bhargava.
I have two doubts.
I am unable to hear you, Bhagini or Mahodaya. Amita Bhargava. Sorry, extremely sorry. Amita Bhargava. I'm unable to hear you. You should just increase your volume. Can you increase your volume, please? Bhagya Ramesh.
Namaskara, Mahodaya. My question here, the fifth one and the 14th one, Hayavarat and Hal. Ha is there twice. So when you are counting the aksharas, how many in Maheshwara Sutrani we need to count? Do we need to count Ha twice or we need to count Ha once?
Ha is, there is a special purpose for giving Ha there twice, that we will learn only when we learn Paniniya Vyakarana. But as far as your question regarding counting is concerned, we should count Hal only once. Hakara only once in Hal. In Hal Pratyahara, we are having Hakara twice. Hayavara la Nyamanganana Javagadhada Javagadada Kapa Chatata Chatata Kapa Shashasa Ha. That Ha should be counted only once.
Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
Rama Bhagini.
Ram Mahodaya. So yesterday we were having a discussion on the mixing of the letters Ha and Ma. So you clarified that it is not Brahma, it is Brahma. Does it also apply to the other mixtures? For example, Ha plus Na, like Vahni or Vahni?
Yes, one he. It is one he only. Whenever there is an Anunasika letter after Hakara or N plus Ha, the Ha plus Hu plus Na, Hana, one he only we tell. Brahma, one he.
Okay, so any combination of Ha plus Anunasika, the Anunasika takes the first position.
Excellent. That is the
All right. Thank you so much.
Uma Chandrasekhar.
Mahoday, every day's class PDF you will be uploading immediately, or do we get it at the end? Because this Maheshwara Sutras and all, it's not by heart, right?
It is there in the.
I am not able to locate, find it, Mahoday.
Okay, I will ask Amog to show you just now. Our Vidwan Amog will show you now. Just see where it is. Sahana Bhagini also can show if she is there. Sahana Bhagini, are you there? Looks like she has not logged in. I will request Amog to.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste, sir.
So this is the course page. So if you go to the course page and access the course page.
Kshamyata, Mahoday. Actually, I did this, but I didn't find the PDF.
In the lessons at the left side, you will have the
Those 3 lines we have, right?
course materials.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Actually, I know how to do that, but I'm not finding the lessons. That is why I just raised the question.
I'll just check once. Just give me a second. Beginning, the course material is uploaded. Just a minute, I'll share you. Yes, I'll share the screen.
Amogha, please share the screen.
Beginning, if you access the course page, so at the left side, class 2, the PDF is uploaded here.
I will.
So here you can access the course material.
Okay. Okay, I will try to do it. If I don't get, then I will contact you. Next class I will ask.
Definitely.
You can
Sure.
contact
Dhanyawad.
our support number 94808 646
Astu Mohoday. Sorry for taking your time.
No issues.
Dhanyawad.
Others may also have the same problem. You have actually helped others.
Thank you, Mohoday.
Kishore Acharya, what is your question?
Okay. Hello.
Ah,
Namaskar. My question is, see, in the Upasarga, there are 22, but two of them, like Nir, Nis, both of them end up as Ni. And so why do we have, see, the other one is Dush, Dur and Dus. Both of them end up as Du. So why do we have two separate ones? Nir, Nish, Dur, Dus.
very good question. Out of this, we will try to see if we can answer this in Visarga on the class. I would request you to go through this. Go through the first thing is it gives different meanings. Dur and Dush. When they join and when they join with the dhatus, they may give different meanings. They may give enhanced meanings. That's why you require two. As far as the transformation is concerned, it is related to the rules of grammar. This is a short answer, but we have to get into the details. Then only you will understand the real answer.
And thank you, sir. And I also let you know, last night also I could not see the new PDFs that I saw this morning. Sorry, it's morning my time. Thank you very much.
The PDFs are uploaded. Just now our Amogha showed you, but you want to understand when it is uploaded.
No, that's okay. Now I saw it, so I'll download it.
Okay. Dhanyawada, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Namaskara.
Meena Sugavanam.
Namaskara, sir. I was just reading through the previous day before yesterday. Just a quick question. I have not heard about this term called Pluta until this course. These are only used in, these are not commonly used. I have not come across these.
Yes.
Can you just...
Pluta is a swara which has three matras for pronunciation. The three matra Pluta is coming only in Vedas. So let me give, or if it can come, suppose you want to call a person. Okay, suppose your son is called Rama. Hey Rama, Atragacha, Rama. So what did you do for that makara, makarotra akara? Instead of telling Rama is actually Hey Rama, it is only one hraswa. But in order to attract his attention such that he hears, you shout Rama. So what did you do? You ended up giving three matras for the takara. And that is called Pluta. So there is a practical usage which we are using, but we don't recognize it. But in Vedas, you have mantras which has to be told in Pluta.
Okay.
This is the answer.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Usha Chandrasekharan.
Namaste ji. Namaste ji. When we consider this Sandhi Karya, every time do we consider it as a phonetic phenomenon, or sometimes a letter phenomenon, or sometimes a phonetic phenomenon?
Everything is phonetic.
Phonetic only.
Everything is sound based. Sound. So sounds only. That sound has a letter and other things. It looks that it is phonetic. Sometimes we are unable to experience that phonetic change within ourselves. We'll say that's why we by heart we say, okay, this is like that. So I was talking about Professor Lakshmi Tatacha. In fact, he did a program called Wave Program. It's an interesting thing. You asked this question, that's why I'm answering it I remembered this. In that Wave Program, what he did was, for example, Yen Sandhi, let us take Madhu Arihi. Okay. He first recorded the sound Madhu. Now today we have softwares. There'll be a wave created for Madhu. Then he said Ari, he recorded. Now what he did, he joined those two sound in the softwares in the program at a particular frequency and other things. He constructed a program and checked whether Madhu Ari will give Madhwari. This exercise, this interesting phenomenon was done in his lab in Melkote. And for most of the Sandhis, he could come up with this program, wave program, in which two sounds become the sound which is actually told by Paninian rule. That is when it became very scientific.
Okay.
Good question.
Literally, we always talk about a letter. A new letter comes, Adesha.
Letter means sound only. No,
sound only. Because in Sanskritam you don't have a dichotomy between sound and a letter, whereas in English you have.
Beautifully you have captured it. You have captured the essence.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Ravi Shankar Ranganath.
Namo Namah Mahodaya. Shruyate va?
Shruyate.
Mahodaya, atra na dvivaram uchyate. Kimartham?
Atra pratyahara kechana varnaha purva nakarena, kechana varnaha paranakarena, kechana pratyaharastha varnaha purva nakarena, kechana paranakarena iti svikriyate. Tadartham, you require in and un. You require more letters sometime in a pratyahara. At that time we use paranakara. That is why they have kept two. And we will understand that in Paninian grammar. But two nakaras are required. The fact that you have identified is very interesting. Very good.
Dhanyavad.
Arun Kumar Tangavel. Last question, I think. I think everybody.
Can you hear me, sir?
Sir, can you explain about Nada, Gosha, Mahaprana, Alpaprana, this kind of Abhyatra Prayatna, sir?
All those things are outside the scope of this course. It is not a Shiksha course.
Yes, sir.
So in this course, I will not be able to explain this. It will take a lot of time. So we have to announce a separate Shiksha course in which each we have to take examples and tell. This is not a Shiksha Shastra course. Shiksha Shastra is only basics. A little bit of what is required for Sandhis, we have covered only that much. We will not be able to explain that in this course.
Thank you, sir.
Dhanyavada. I think Aruna Bhagini, I don't know whether I called you for the question. Did you ask your question?
No.
Okay.
But I had two questions. One of that was answered by you because somebody else also asked that same question regarding An Pratyahar. There are two so different letters. So that is answered. My next question was only about sharing the link or the details of high school grammar, which you are referring to.
So it will be shared by our Amogha in the chat box. Please copy that link. Bhanumati Swaminathan, I think I have asked you, you actually asked the question. Ravi Shankar is over. Amita Bhargava, you see whether you can unmute yourself. Last chance, because I was unable to hear you last time. Again, I'm unable to hear you. That sound is very feeble. The microphone you are talking is not picking up your voice, or the volume is low. Very low. I can just feebly. Anybody else can hear Amita's voice? Ravi Shankar Mahodaya, are you able to hear Amita Bhagini's voice?
न श्रूयते महोदय न श्रूयते.
Okay.
I'll zoom in. I'll zoom in next time.
Okay. Okay. Melapatam Srinivasan, you are also, you had the same problem. Can you talk now?
Yeah. Namaste, Mahodaya. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I didn't attend the first class, but I have a question on the PDF in the first class, which was, there was a word kagadam. So the split for that is k plus a plus g plus a plus d plus m. So I thought there must be a between d and m because it's kagadam. So there will be d plus a plus m.
D plus
a plus m.
Dam.
Yeah. But in the slide, the a was missing.
1 minute, I will just see.
I think it is 25th slide in the PDF.
Varana Vichara. Where is Kagadam? Amogha, can you answer that question?
Yes, sir. There's a typing error in that slide. Slide number is 23.
25,
21.
right?
21. Slide 21. There's a typing error. After there is akara also.
Okay. Thanks. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada. We will close today's class. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahishaha go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Please don't miss tomorrow's class. We will be starting the first sandhi, end sandhi, under the swara sandhi. Please don't miss the class. Dhanyawada.